Okay. Thank you. Wait. Move this. Search 3,000. My ugly burger and bruh. Excuse me, the store is now closed. Please exit the building. Excuse me.
Jay, look at the moon out there.
Look at Papa.
Oh yeah. Wait, guys, you can look at the moon. Look at it if you can see it.
I mean, I thought about it, but then fucking Trump happened. Right?
I don't know. We need to find the base.
What is it?
Make one.
I ain't got no bail money left.
Whatever. You tell me to chill. Trump's president. I'm not fucking chilling. Like, dude.
Bro, I can barely
Grab
hear
his neck, but I
anything.
did. I didn't mean to. He didn't trip though, so that was cool.
Bro.
I was just trying to get up.
Bro.
I was trying to get
Oh,
up.
my
I
YouTube
didn't
app.
mean to be mean.
What happened? Gaming Hub. Yes, I have Android. Bro, what the fuck happened? Oh no. No, I don't want to play Pac-Man.
Yes, but I thought he was
No.
the son of the
Why do I look creepy in the dark?
together, actually.
Oh.
I thought it was his mama next to him. That whole crowd was chicken head. They were all doing the chicken head.
Oh my god, bro. What the
Pop up,
hell?
my butthole hurts. I put a suppository in, but it hurts. Why is my butthole hurt?
Bro, stop saying that.
I don't want to, because they're going to want to do the thing they did to you, and that was too awful and embarrassing. They had to ban his asshole.
Here's one snack.
I don't want to do it.
Yes, lemons are the best.
Do I have to go do it straight?
I was just turning the car on.
Can't you just do it for me? You know how to do it now. They did it to you.
Yeah, when we get home, I'll take a look at it. I want to close the door at home.
It's like, I don't think I'm gonna have a second drink because I'm trying to lose weight. And I was like, really? You better sleep in a separate room tonight. I'm gonna kill you.
The Bob and Sherry Show. Every weekday morning starting at 5:30. Right here on 102.7 GNI.
William is one of millions of Americans who uses GoodRx to save on the cost of their prescriptions.
My oldest daughter, Jamila, 2 days old, she had to have open heart surgery. All of a sudden, she's on 5 different medications. It adds up at the end of the month. Me and the pharmacist got so tight. She said, but I save you a lot of money. Save that extra
Just get me
$200 a month.
home,
We're able to
Papa.
do all these extra activities. So it puts less stress
Bruh.
on our
Okay,
and it
I'll
puts
do
less
it.
stress on our pockets.
Download the free app or visit GoodRx.com and start saving today. GoodRx users are compensated for their time. GoodRx is not insurance.
Are you
They may use
buckled
instead
in?
of insurance.
Jay's buckled. He's ready to go. But
That's Mike.
I am missing
On
my
Sunday.
vape pen. Oh no. I gotta go.
Fast, stay asleep
Pee.
longer, and get the deeply
And my
restorative
butthole's
sleep he needs.
swollen.
So now he wakes up refreshed and ready to conquer.
Why do I have to have
Let's do
this
Monday.
problem?
ZQL Ultra. Not for colds, just for
Alcohol
sleep.
or tobacco?
Really great sleep.
I know. Why are these my vices, mother?
Yeah, thanks for checking. I like the car.
it's your parents' fault, right, Jay?
Yep, I get real cash
Right?
back every time I
I'm
get
trying to make a video right
Is it
here.
your parents' fault if you have issues?
I'm trying to make a video
Is it
right
your
here.
fault or your parents' fault?
Probably my parents.
Yeah, probably your parents. Jay agrees.
I don't know what you're
Parents'
talking
fault.
about.
It's Gigi's fault.
I don't know what you're
She
talking
has the
about.
same issues, so I think that might be your problem. No, but you still have butt issues, even though you don't drink. So how do I know it has to do with that?
Because I didn't have that issue until you were born.
So childbirth is the issue. Quit. So don't have any kids, Jay.
Ready 7 days a week to fix the problem, and it's all backed by our
Grandma's
exceptional service
advice.
guarantee. Trust
No
ARS
kids.
Rescue Rooter to bring comfort and calm back to your home. Call now or visit
Yeah,
ARS.com
that's
for
the
details, terms, and
problem.
conditions.
Why my story keep going? Papa, stop turning so hard.
Really? What is this? You got caramel. You got Papa. We got too much junk food back here. We got cinnamon bears.
You asked for those.
You can't have them. It's mine.
I like them also.
He hogs them, Papa. He's trying to hog my cinnamon bears.
Ah.
You want one?
Oh,
You want a cinnamon bear? Mama, you want a cinnamon bear? What? Why not?
We already go through that.
You couldn't suck it. Oh. Okay. Well, you can suck it.
These aren't very cinnamon.
No, they're not that hot. I mean, you're used to the very hot. This is very hot cinnamon bear. These are very wimpy.
I'm gonna make a fake exit.
I can't give you that much Dr. Pepper in my tummy.
Dun, 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 dun. Sorry, you need a one. Bro, 2 in a row? Nah, this TV is lit.
My butt hurt.
Finally.
My butt hurt. I like these pants.
Stop.
Do you like them?
Yeah.
I wasn't giving you drama. I don't know. Want cinnamon bear? Last one.
Your one-stop shop for total car care. Over 50 years of experience and financing options that let you fix it. You can trust your keys with money. Engines, brakes, tires, oil. Fighting. Don't
That was, there was a lot of old people there, Mom. I felt like Jay was going to be stressed, but he wasn't. Were you stressed out?
Nah.
No, it wasn't as loud as I anticipated. Because you know why?
That wasn't what I was expecting.
It's because we're old.
Entertaining also.
No, all I really wanted to do was. All I really wanted to do was chill and make videos.
It's okay.
Once Papa
You
gave
didn't get
me
stressed
my
out, so
phone.
we're good.
Once Papa gave me my phone, I was like, should I make videos? No, I'm going to play some playables on YouTube. Then I made videos.
Some old lady conference.
I found the exit and I found the exit. I found the exit.
You did.
No, it's just a fake one I made.
Well, I was very pleased with our seat selection.
Yeah, it was good.
And firsttakes.org today. Cape Fear weather from the Cumulus Media Weather Center.
A few leftover showers are possible as we head into the overnight. Otherwise, expect a partial clearing while overnight lows
I
will
have
stay
to
in the
pee.
60s and 70s tomorrow.
That's my
Expect
only
plenty of
complaint.
dry time throughout the day, but the best chance for showers and storms.
Papa,
begin
if I
after
pee on the floor, can you please if you don't hurry up.
There's a convenience store right
Oh,
here.
turn it up, would you?
You want me to pull in?
No, turn it up. Up. Turn it up. Turn it up.
Papa, stop listening to her.
No, let's go. Got it? Dance with
Ow, my ears in my video.
Get your jam on. Let's go.
My video is ruined.
No one.
Bruh.
Go ahead, be going. Get your sexy on.
Hey, hey, stop it.
Smack your nana.
Then you stop it.
You ready? Are you ready?
Yes, stop it.
Hey, look at the moon now.
Oh, look at the moon now. Where's my I don't see it.
It's in the clouds.
There it goes.
See it up there?
Uh-huh.
People really do drive.
We're on the other side of my favorite girl to be my only. I said no, but you my favorite one. For real. I want one. You ain't. Nah, I can't make it mine, but I can make it. I just do 10,000 something one thing. I'm popping this so hard 'cause I ain't used.
Looking for the king's remains now.
The lead singer,
That's a
Chrissy
bummer,
Hynde,
Chris.
hated this song. She hated it so bad she tried to prevent
Oh, I
its
got
release
it.
as a single. She didn't
I
want it to
got it.
represent the band, and that is Brass and Pocket by the Pretenders. Got this in pocket. Got that out. I'm gonna use it. Intention.
Are we almost home? We are? I gotta pee.
Been diving, detour leaning, no reason. Seems so
You got all this stuff. I got my cinnamon bears, but you got your stuff. You gotta take all your stuff. Oh, Jay. Your imagination. Why you get mad?
Jay, you done with my phone, buddy?
Once we get home, I take your video, right?
I'm not hurt you. I'm not hurt you. I'm not hurt you. I'm not hurting you. I won't ever. Froggy's out there. Froggy's out in the yard.
Froggy!
Froggy's out there. Okay, I don't hurt you, right? Mom, no, not hurt you.
Okay, this is the end of
Okay,
IKEA.
be cool. Be cool, be cool. Papa.
Okay, bye guys.